All right, let's see how this 100-gallon grow bag is doing. This is like the healthiest sweet potatoes I've had since being in Arizona. And it looks like we have some luck. Yay! All right, let's see. Let's grab one before we empty this entire bag. Let's see. Ooh, cool. This might be the best we've had. Oh, look at that. A real sweet potato. Very cool. Yeah, 100-gallon go bags, potato slips. They've been in there all summer. I thought I would check, so I'm starting to see a few of these. Yellow leaves starting up. Cool, success. Finally. Yep. Why, Anton? Why? Like 2 seconds of watering, come back and he's eating a dang potato. Yes. How pleased he is with himself over here. It looks like it was delicious. So jealous.